Well, folks, I lost a hive. See all the dead bees here? And you know what? I'm extremely glad about it. This hive in September was 2 deeps and a medium honey super, and it got usurped by Africanized killer bees. They just killed the queen and took it over. The queen was a bee weaver queen. And I was worried that they were going to take over that one right beside it, but it looks okay. And so I just did my best to crush this frickin' hive. I couldn't get near it without being stung. They were completely awful. And, you know, as we went into October, November, I robbed out frames to bolster up my other hives. And it was down to this. And it was still hanging on. I tried to kill it. I wrapped it. I tarped it. And they managed to get back in there. And then a couple days, well, a week ago before this cold snap, I set out feed, and this hive here was all over the liquid feed, and I tried to get near it and they were attacking me. They were trying to sting my head. I had to back off and I said, I am going to destroy it. I've had it. I'm not going to try and requeen it in spring. But you know what? The weather did it for me. And for the first time, I'm really glad I lost a hive in winter. If I have to lose only one, let it be that one. This is the New Mexico bee lady, where we've had a week of below freezing temperatures, and I haven't seen my bees out since I put out the liquid feed. My pollen feeder is not being visited, but all my hives have fondant on them, Hive Alive fondant, and I'm pretty confident they're doing okay. Like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.